Tonight, people working to curb gun violence in Lansing are concerned.
They say federal funding cuts threaten the progress they've made in not only lowering those numbers, but by helping victims as well.
Taryn Simmons spoke with leaders of Advance Peace and has more on the cuts they're facing. Taryn?
Siobhan Jorma, leaders at Advance Peace say they were given a notice back in April by the Department of Justice that their grants would be terminated.
During the height of the pandemic, city officials say gun violence in Lansing was at an all-time high. So leaders teamed up with a nonprofit public health initiative called MPHI, a local operator of Advanced Peace Strategy. They work closely with city and county officials to bring gun crime down. And Chief Strategy Officer Paul Elam says that partnership helped a lot.
We experienced a 52% reduction in fatal shootings and a 19% reduction in non-fatal shootings.
But now leaders are worried about the progress they've made. Elam says he never expected the new administration to cut grants that he says were already approved, funded, and supported by Congress. 2 of our projects were cut. The total was just over $1 million. Cuts would reduce our capacity in half to continue to identify individuals and engage them to advance public safety here in Lansing. He says the federal government has funded 50% of their projects and says they've raised about $10 million. Elam says their mission is effective, and John Edmond agrees.
With the amount of lives that were saved, plus the guns that were taken off of the street, is a result of the hard work that these gentlemen and women put in.
Edmond lost his daughter back in 2010 after she was shot and killed during a home invasion in downtown Lansing. Elam says luckily his organization has found short-term resources to keep their staff, but the damage is already done.
But history tells us when you remove this type of resource from the community, it impacts our ability to advance public safety.
Elam also says to help support Advance Peace, they're hosting a sneaker ball fundraiser in West Lansing this Friday from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. We'll have more details on that event at WLNS.com. Back to you.